Pero meron, yung parang mga paunti-unti, ganyan. So this is considered as a shrub. Here. So, parang masyadong mababa. So we can consider this as grass. Para ma-match na natin yung sa neighbor, wala na masyadong issue, di ba? It's clear, guys? Tapos kung kaya mong i-edit yung sa neighbor side tulad nito, para lang mag-match kayo, you can also do that. Kung bakante lang tulad nito. I'm using S. Okay. Ito not smooth daw. So pantayin natin.
So sir, pwede rin palang galawin yun sa neighbor as long as bakante siya.
As long as bakante at tama yung sayo, you can. Para lang mawala na lang, parang mapasa mo na, parang gano'n. Clear?
Okay. Kasi usually ginagawa ko lang, napakat lang ako ng small area dun sa
Hindi. Kasi ito, napasa na. So, since napasa na siya, tulad nito, na-acquire na siya, napasa na siya ng neighbor, most likely na-approve na rin ng reviewer to na hindi dino-double check. So, para to save time, para mabilis mag-progress yung task natin, kung napasa na siya ni reviewer at okay naman sa tingin mo yung task ni neighbor, maliit lang yung error, you can edit. Pero kung magkaiba kayo ng tagging, yun yung problema. Hindi babago yung tagging. So, if the tagging is wrong, you know? Oh, Peter Kerari is here. Okay. So, we have to use English, guys. Hello. Good day. All right. Did you just came in, Peter? Did you just join?
Yes, I just joined.
You just joined. Okay. Welcome to the training session. Okay.
Sorry
but I'm aware, guys, that most of you have the training material for land cover, right?
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes, we have.
Country has keys and order.
Just check.
Provide services performance and measurement improvement of their production.
Uncover phase 1. Let me check this one out.
Leads and leads.
No, not this one. Okay, so we'll go through the phase 1, uncover common errors. So let's make sure we clarify some of the things that causes us to misuse some of the taggings that we actually have in land cover. Let's approve this one. Okay. So this one, guys, I have the actual task I reported earlier. So what's the big difference between this land and this area of land? What's the big difference?
Texture.
So what's the big difference between this? There is pattern on the other one. Yes. Okay, as you can see on this area of land, there's actually row patterns. agriculture. But for this patch of land, there's none. And aside from that, it's irregularly shaped. Okay, so maybe it's still being prepared, but until then, it's not considered as an agriculture land. Clear? So this one, they tagged it as a forest. So just to match the neighbor. Then again,
Yes, sir. Can we tag that, sir, as a bare land also, sir?
it depends on the project. But for this one, there's no bare land. But yes, in the regular land cover project, it will be tagged as bare land. Clear, guys?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So I have here a regular land cover project, guys. This is what you will normally get. The buildings have been captured. So this is going to be complete. So everyone knows how to use each of this. Does everyone know how to use all the categories? So I don't go discussing them one by one and when to use. Anyone who doesn't know yet.
Social welfare programs. Welfare facilities.
Sir, pwede mo example yung road road intersection, sir? Sample.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Has anyone... Okay, for a while.
Ano? Dar. Pag nilibigyan kita ulit. Wala ka na.
Download. It's a big file.
Huh?
Guys, I will encourage you to actually review this training. I'll share the link.
Charge in protecting the environment and natural resources.
This one. Does everyone have this link?
Environment and natural resources. Ibig sinabi ko rin sagot.
All right, sending a copy of the training material here.
Nadagdagan mo naman ang department. Takes charge in protecting
Okay.
the environment
So
and natural resources.
to give everyone a crash course, building, this red one, pertains to the buildings in the task area. Okay? So you're not allowed to touch or edit the building itself. Okay? You also cannot add a building unless it's authorized to do so, because if you do so, it will only cause you error. So this is what's going to happen. If you add or edit a building, you'll get this error. Building doesn't match with mask. Okay? So make sure you don't do anything. If there's a missed building, unfortunately, you can't do anything with it. Just leave a space for that building. Clear?
Kasi minsan sinasabi niya yung sagot eh. Natagdagan mo na lang yung department.
So for this one, we are tasked to actually get the impervious. When you say impervious, they are the land that are used as a road, or basically cemented part of the road or paved area of the task or the area or paved area of the land. So this one, do you think this is a road, guys?
No. No, sir.
So technically speaking, it's not a road. So you have to delete it. Okay. And make sure then after deleting the fake road, you can submit the task. This one. So let's see. Your task to get the road only. This one is tagged as a driveway. So that's correct. This one also tagged as a driveway, but it's not a correct driveway shape. It's too narrow. It looks like a sidewalk. So we can actually fix this by using Z. There. Clear, guys? You can actually match that. And then there's this in the front.
Philippine.
Road, driveway, sidewalk. Okay. You can't capture this right now. There's no tagging for this. There's no category for that part.
Philippine yung worst letter.
There's no pavement. Okay.
Philippine.